Hello everyone, I am Yilvis. I am member and holder of Coin on Reef Chain. And in this video, I will show you how you can become one of our holders and become member of our awesome Coin community. All links will be posted in description and also will be found in official Coin Telegram channel. If you type /buy in Coin Telegram group, you will get instruction with links. First, we need to download and install Reef Chain wallet on our PC. It is available on PC version and mobile version for Android. iOS version will be available soon as well. Click Create Account, save your seed phrases in some safe place. Best is to write them down. Once you have done that, move to Next Stop. Here you can name your wallet and create password. Now we have created our Reef Chain wallet and we will need some Reef coins to buy Coin. Buy Reef from an exchange that supports the Reef Chain, such as Binance, Crypto.com, or BitGet. Transfer Reef to your newly created Reef wallet. Copy your native address. We're going to transfer Reef from Binance. We have already bought some Reef, so we are ready to transfer them. Enter your native address in field and pick Reef Chain. Always double check because not all exchanges support Reef Chain. Our deposit have arrived. Now let's connect our Reef Chain wallet with EVM. Once that is done, we need to connect our wallet with Reef Swap and select your wallet. Copy contract address from official Coin Telegram group. Click Pools and copy contract address in search. Be careful when you pick your coin. Chose Pair Reef, Coin. Pick section trade and put amount you are willing to buy. But leave at least 1,000 Reef in your wallet because you will need them later if you will want to sell them. But who will do that, right? Coin to billions. Click Trade and confirm trade. And now it's done. Congratulations, you have made good decision that could change your life. And I would love to welcome you to Coin community. Hope this was useful. Have a nice day.